Hi guys, so are you ready to draw with me today? So today I will be drawing a cartridge pen because I got a request from Bertha to draw one. So I'm gonna draw it for you, Bertha. So let's get started. And if you are new to my channel and haven't been here already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and the bell icon to get a video every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and mostly at least once a week. So let's get to it. And I'm going to start off with a pen. You might not see it right away, but I am putting in these lines first, just to get an idea of the size and everything of the pen, and then I will go in with the color pencils and then more colors as well. So stay tuned and I'll show you every step of the way. Let me know if you have any questions, and if you want to connect with me and DM me, check out my Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. All that information is in the description box below for you. So let's get to it and let me know what you think. So there you go. I'm just adding in the final touches, and I'll add in a few more colors, and I added a background as well just for the pen to pop, and this is how it looks. And I hope you like it, and if you do like it, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment for me. And if you would like to buy products with this on my Redbubble shop, check out the link in the description box below to check out the products and buy my products. So then I also put some next videos for you to check out next, including a playlist. And don't forget to hit on my face logo to subscribe to my channel. I bring a video every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, or once a week at least. So then let me know what you want to see next, and if you're liking this video as well, if you want me to do a DIY project, let me know what you want to see. So if I can do it, I will do it for you. So then have a great day. Bye.